Hey, it's Emily from supplyhouse.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Series 100 cast iron circulator pump from Bell Gossett. This pump is designed for use in domestic and light commercial closed-loop water circulating systems. The Series 100's three-piece design provides for easy field service of bearings, shaft, and seal, all housed in an assembly which can be easily repaired or replaced. The Bell Gossett Series 100 NFI runs on 115 volts, generating 112 horsepower and 1,725 RPM. It has a maximum pressure of 125 psi, a maximum flow range of 33 GPM, and a maximum head range of 8 feet along its pump curve. The oil-lubricated motor is specifically designed for the Series 100, and resilient mounting provides quiet, dependable service with minimum annual lubrication. The motor, paired with its overall hydraulic performance, allows the Series 100 to overcome system-related noise caused by valves, fittings, or piping. This single-phase pump has flanged connections. Flanges must be purchased separately and sized to match system piping sizes of 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch, or 1.5 inches. The pump comes with gaskets, bolts, and oil. It has a maximum operating temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit and measures 6 3/8 inches flange to flange. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.